Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Morais is urging Jamaicans to try and beat the heat. Dr. Guy said, with record high temperatures being recorded in recent times, it's important that citizens stay cool as best as they can.
Wear cool clothes, white clothes as opposed to dark clothes when they are out, to cover their bodies as much as possible, to wear a hat and to rehydrate, not only with water but with electrolytes as well, coconut water, and there are sports drinks that are available if you can afford it. But it's important that you replace not only water but water with salts and electrolytes in it.
Dr. Guy also made an appeal for citizens to help homeless people on the streets.
In this situation, it calls for a national effort not only on the part of government, which sometimes does not do as much as they ought to, but as citizens of this country, we need to be our brothers and sisters keepers.